Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 1.4.7 Low or No Background Audio. Here's an example of how to implement the low or no background audio requirement in HTML and JavaScript. In this example, the audio element is created in the HTML with an id of background audio, so that it can be easily accessed in the JavaScript. The volume property of the audio is set to 0.1, which is 10% of the maximum volume, to ensure that it does not become too loud for users. The muted property is also set to true, so that the audio will be initially muted. A button element is created in the JavaScript with the text unmute, and an event listener is added to it that sets the muted property of the audio to false when the button is clicked. This allows users to choose whether or not they want to hear the background audio. The button is then appended to the body of the page. This implementation ensures that background audio is kept to a low level and is not automatically played when the page is loaded, allowing users to control their audio experience.